The world of personal finance is vast and diverse, with various experts offering unique perspectives on how individuals can achieve financial success. Two prominent figures in this arena are Dave Ramsey and Robert Kiyosaki, each with their distinct thought processes and approaches to money management. In this video, we will delve into the financial philosophies of both Ramsey and Kiyosaki, examining their core principles, beliefs, and the implications of their advice on individuals seeking financial stability and prosperity. Dave Ramsey's financial thought process. Dave Ramsey is a well-known personal finance expert, radio host, and author. His financial philosophy is rooted in conservative principles and focuses on debt elimination, budgeting, and building an emergency fund. Ramsey's teachings are encapsulated in his widely popular book, The Total Money Makeover, and his radio show, The Dave Ramsey Show. 1. Debt-free living. One of the central tenets of Ramsey's philosophy is the importance of living a debt-free life. He advocates for the debt snowball method, where individuals pay off their smallest debts first, gaining momentum and motivation to tackle larger debts subsequently. Ramsey believes that being debt-free provides financial freedom and reduces stress, allowing individuals to allocate more of their income towards savings and investments. 2. Emergency fund. Ramsey emphasizes the creation of an emergency fund as a fundamental step in achieving financial security. He recommends saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to serve as a financial cushion during unexpected life events, such as job loss or medical emergencies. This emergency fund, according to Ramsey, provides a sense of financial peace and helps individuals avoid accumulating additional debt when faced with unforeseen circumstances. 3. Budgeting. Another cornerstone of Ramsey's financial thought process is the importance of budgeting. He encourages individuals to create a detailed budget that accounts for all income and expenses. Ramsey's budgeting approach is based on the principle of giving every dollar a specific purpose, ensuring that individuals allocate funds for necessities, savings, and debt repayment before discretionary spending. 4. Investing with caution. While Ramsey acknowledges the importance of investing for long-term wealth building, he adopts a cautious approach. He recommends a diversified investment strategy that prioritizes mutual funds with a long track record of steady growth. Ramsey advises against speculative investments or high-risk strategies, as they may jeopardize an individual's financial stability. Robert Kiyosaki's financial thought process. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, has gained notoriety for his unconventional views on wealth creation. Kiyosaki's financial philosophy is centered around building assets, passive income, and financial education. His teachings often challenge traditional notions of success and encourage individuals to adopt an entrepreneurial mindset. 1. Asset accumulation. Kiyosaki's primary focus is on accumulating assets that generate passive income. He distinguishes between assets and liabilities, urging individuals to prioritize investments that put money in their pockets over time. According to Kiyosaki, assets can include real estate, stocks, and businesses, while liabilities are expenses that drain an individual's financial resources. 2. Entrepreneurial mindset. Unlike Ramsey's emphasis on a stable job and steady income, Kiyosaki advocates for developing an entrepreneurial mindset. He believes that true financial success comes from creating and owning businesses that generate income without requiring constant personal involvement. Kiyosaki argues that traditional employment may limit one's financial potential and recommends exploring entrepreneurial opportunities. 3. Financial education. Kiyosaki places a high value on financial education, asserting that it is a key driver of wealth creation. He encourages individuals to continuously educate themselves about money, investments, and market trends. Kiyosaki believes that a sound financial education empowers individuals to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial world effectively. 4. Good debt versus bad debt. In contrast to Ramsey's aversion to all forms of debt, Kiyosaki introduces the concept of good debt and bad debt. He suggests that using debt strategically to acquire income-generating assets can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Kiyosaki argues that not all debt is detrimental, and that leveraging it intelligently can lead to increased wealth over time. Comparative analysis. While both Dave Ramsey and Robert Kiyosaki offer valuable insights into personal finance, their philosophies diverge on several key principles. Let's explore the points of contrast between their thought processes. 1. Approach to debt. Ramsey advocates for a debt-free lifestyle, emphasizing the elimination of all forms of debt, including mortgages and car loans. Kiyosaki recognizes the potential benefits of leveraging debt strategically, distinguishing between good debt that generates income and bad debt that drains financial resources. 2. View unemployment. Ramsey promotes the stability of traditional employment and the importance of a steady income for financial security. Kiyosaki encourages an entrepreneurial mindset, emphasizing the creation of businesses and assets that generate passive income, potentially surpassing income from traditional employment. 3. Asset accumulation. Ramsey prioritizes building an emergency fund, paying off debts, and saving for the future through conservative investments. Kiyosaki advocates for the accumulation of income-generating assets, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses, as a means of achieving financial independence. 4. Financial education. Ramsey focuses on practical financial principles, budgeting, and disciplined saving. Kiyosaki places a high value on continuous financial education, asserting that an informed individual is better equipped to make strategic financial decisions. 5. Risk tolerance in investing. Ramsey adheres to a conservative investment strategy, recommending diversified portfolios with a focus on long-term growth. Kiyosaki acknowledges the importance of risk-taking in investing, suggesting that calculated risks can lead to substantial financial gains. The financial thought processes of Dave Ramsey and Robert Kiyosaki represent two distinct approaches to achieving financial success. Ramsey's philosophy is grounded in conservative principles, emphasizing debt elimination, budgeting, and the creation of financial safety nets. On the other hand, Kiyosaki's unconventional views promote an entrepreneurial mindset, asset accumulation, and strategic debt leverage as paths to financial prosperity. The choice between these two philosophies ultimately depends on an individual's goals, risk tolerance, and values. Some may find comfort in Ramsey's structured approach, prioritizing stability and risk avoidance, while others may resonate with Kiyosaki's entrepreneurial spirit and willingness to embrace calculated risks. Ultimately, a nuanced understanding of personal finance, coupled with critical thinking, will empower individuals to tailor these philosophies to their unique circumstances and aspirations. You may even be able to apply pieces from both.